My name is Andrew Kosinski. I am President and CEO of Reserved Environmental Services. We started processing water here in April of 2010. And that's the whole purpose of our treatment facility, is to recycle every bit of water that comes out of the ground and put it back into the ground. And clean it up and put it back. This model has been almost the standard in the industry, we'll say. And
was this created by you?
This was my idea, yes, concept, whatever, to get a total recycle package together. But we're also environmental stewards and a model for the DEP and EPA. They've all been here. This plant is one of the largest ones in Pennsylvania, and we treat water at 500 to 600 gallons a minute.
Residual waste just sounds pretty non-toxic, but still the brown stuff that you receive, there's still all kinds of chemicals in it.
Yeah, but none of it is really toxic. You know, to be honest with you, nothing really is toxic in it. There's nothing. I mean, it would kill fish, don't get me wrong, but the metals wouldn't kill the fish. The salt would kill the fish first.
What gets tested here?
pH, total dissolved solids, suspended solids, and flammability.
If you open up the truck and you catch a whiff of gas, there's usually drip gas. Sometimes the smell just leaches into the water. But if it's drip gas, this is what happens. It'll light.
How often do you find this?
Not very often. Last year was pretty bad.
What does it mean, pretty bad? How often?
Maybe one a day.
This green pipe behind me pumps the water up into the flash mix tank. This flash mix tank starts the beginning of the treatment.
But this water, is that not radioactive?
This water is not radioactive. Radioactivity does not come into play until we start taking all the solids out in the sludge. And then there's some measurable radioactivity. There's no measurable radioactivity in here.
What are your biggest concerns and hopes regarding shale gas drilling?
Well, the biggest concern from just an economic standpoint is to develop a market for the gas. My ideal as an American would be to have the gas replace the oil and free us from foreign oil. The only concern is that you need to have good surface management of the waters. In other words, when the water comes out of the ground from 8,000 feet down, it needs to be handled properly at the surface, because at the surface is where the contamination develops. What we're coming to here now is the clarifiers, and this is the main process. This is the main separation step for separating the dirty water from the clean water. As you can see in the trough, the water is coming in with all the chemistry in it and all the precipitation metals, and you can see the nice green water being developed in the clarifiers. Green water basically is the water that's going to the field and it is nothing in it but salt. This is actually our end product. As you can see, it's very, very clear. The only thing it has in it is the dissolved salts. The producers do want it this clear because any suspended salts that go down the well impedes fracking, the fracking process. So we produce water with less than 5 milligrams per liter suspended salts.
You wouldn't drink it?
No, you can't drink it because it just makes you throw up. So if you want to throw up, drink it.